Hey, what is going on, folks? In today's video, I'm going to be installing a smoke detector and carbon monoxide. It's two in one, so just got to install one package. Here it is on the floor, and that is what we are installing today. Let's get it. So here it is. It says to put the mount a few inches below the ceiling and a few inches from the edge of the wall. So that's what we're doing. I think 6 inches from what I've seen from other videos too. And now I'm just using the drill to mark the holes that I'll be drilling in order to put them out. Slide that in there. All right, we got both screws on. Now I just gotta put this thing on. Okay, turn it, and that's it. It's on. So if you want to put it on, you twist it clockwise. You want to take it off, twist it counterclockwise and take it up. Okay. Shut up. Hush.